Hi students. So in this video we are going to start Unit 3 Pros Empowered Women Navigating the World. So I hope you have already heard about the woman empowerment. So woman empowerment is to promote the woman's self-worthy, and they will be having their ability to determine, or they will be having their ability to achieve their own goals, and also they'll be having their rights to influence the social changes also. So woman that is also they'll be having ability to do something for their needs, or for their wants, or for their opinion, or for their emotions, or for their feelings, whatever it may be. So they'll be having their own perspective ideas to achieve their goals. அதாவது உமன் எம்பவர்மெண்ட்னா உமன்ஸ்க்குன்ட்டு வந்துட்டு அவங்களுக்குன்ட்டு ஒவ்வொரு கோல்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதை வந்துட்டு அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கான எல்லா எபிலிட்டிஸ், எல்லா திறமைகளும் வந்துட்டு அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் உமன் எம்பவர்மெண்ட். ஸோ வி கேன் கால் இட் அஸ் எம்பவர்ட் உமன் ஆல்சோ. So that is called as empowered woman. And the meaning of navigation, I hope you have already heard about the navigation. So the meaning of navigation is art or practice the directing a ship, aircraft or spacecraft from one place to another. So that is navigation means they'll be practicing aeroplanes or ships or a spacecraft from one place to another. So whose directing is called as a navigation, and also the signs of finding a way from one place to another. So they'll find a route. They'll find a route also through the navigation. So I hope you know, through the sea route only they have find the route to India. So that is called also navigation. So this is the title of our pros: empowered women navigating the world. That is all the achieved women. So they all the empowered women means they will be having all the abilities to achieve their own choice of goals. So that is called as empowerment. அதாவது திறமை உள்ள திறமை உள்ள பெண்மணிகள். எம்பவர்ட் உமன் மீன்ஸ் திறமை உள்ள பெண்மணிகள். ஸோ தே கேன் ஏபிள் டு அச்சீவ் வாட் எவர் தே ஆர் திங்கிங். And navigating the world means, so all the abilities, all the successful women are going to take a travel through the world through the sea or a spacecraft or aircraft. So navigation means that is moving from one place to another place through the ship or aircraft or spacecraft is called as navigating. So all the successful women, that is who are shining, will be having the ability and courage to overcome, no. So they are called as empowered women. So these women are going to go around through the world through the sea. Now we can enter onto the lesson. Gone are these days where women in India remained indoors unless permitted to go out with an escort. Conditions today have changed thanks to all those women who have fought for their freedom and set a very good example for others. The real power of women, though realized earlier, is currently being projected to the world by the advancement of technology and media. So gone are these days. So the meaning of this is gone or these days means in earlier days. So in earlier days and all, where women's in India, that is especially in India, women's in India used to remain in indoors means that is inside the house only. So they will be living, they will be they won't come out of the house for any cause. So all the men's will be roaming over there for whatever the needs in the house, or whatever needs for them. Say they will be going out and they will be doing all the things. Women will won't be allowed anywhere outside of the house. So that is called indoor. So remain indoor means inside the house unless permitted to go out with an escort. So unless means they will go outside, but they'll be having always they'll be have a guards டு கோ வித் தெம். தெல் பி எப்பயுமே ஒரு பாதுகாப்பால் யாரோ ஒருத்தங்க வந்து அவங்க கூட வந்துட்டு போயிட்டு வர மாதிரி இருந்தால் தான் வந்துட்டு உமன்ஸை வந்துட்டு வெளியில் அனுப்புவாங்க. ஆர்எல்ஸ் தெல் பி ஸ்டேயிங் இன் தியர் ஹோம்ஸ். ஸோ எஸ்கார்ட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் கார்ட்ஸ். இன்டோர் மீன்ஸ் inside the house, within the house. But conditions today have changed, but nowadays everything has changed. And also we are thanking all those women who fought for the freedom, and they are very good role model for others also. So in those days only the women are all staying inside the house, and they'll be going outside with the help of the men. But nowadays everything has changed, and also we are thanking the women who have fought for the women's freedom. And also we are setting as a their very good example and role model for others also. They are played a major role to overcome this. The real power of women, though realized earlier, is currently being projected to the world by the advancement of technology and media. So this has been realized earlier itself. So all the men has been realized, and they overcome everything, and they came out and they have started to do their work everywhere. This has been started earlier, but nowadays only it has been currently has been projected to the world through the advancement of technology and media. So media and technology, through media and technology only this has become very popular. That is, woman is ruling the entire country. So women can able to do whatever it can be. So all the men's and women's are equal. So the nowadays only it has been coming outside everything through the media and technologies. Women occupy almost all the major positions. Women occupy almost all their major positions in society. So nowadays women are has been occupied in all the positions in the society. So nowadays women can able to do all the works as equal as men's. So men's என்ன அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு வாட் எவர் தே கேன் ஏபிள் டு டூ, என்ன வேலை வேணாலும் செய்வாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ லைக் தட் இட் செல்ஃப் women's can also able to do. Yes, especially so there are women police officers, women doctors, and women teachers, and in every professions all the women are being well successed persons. Currently women's acknowledgements are tremendous in many fields. So currently, but in nowadays women's acknowledgements means achievement. The meaning of acknowledgement means achievement. So currently women's achievements are tremendous means in great amount. The meaning of tremendous is in great amount. So their achievements are in great amounts in many fields. Nowadays in many fields they are having a successful and tremendous presence in their life. One such achievement is the all women India Navy crew who circumnavigated the world for 254 days all alone in a sailboat called INSV Tarini. So like this, so one of the achievements, so they are saying one of the achievements, they have tremendous achievements nowadays in many fields. But here they are particularly they are saying one achievement. What achievement means? All women India Navy crew. So in Navy, you know about the Navy na ship, while working in ship they will be calling as a Navy. Other sailors வந்துட்டு will be calling as Navy. So that achievement only, all women Indian Navy crew who circumnated. The meaning of circumnated is to travel all the way around something, especially the earth. So they will travel all over the world in the earth. So that is called as circumnated. All women in India. So that is all women in India Navy crew. So there the crew means a group of people is called as a crew. So some 4 to 3, here we are going to see 6 women, that is 6 women have been traveled in this all over the world. In the all women India Navy crew la vandu the 6 women has been traveled all over the world for 254 days all alone in a sailboat. So the meaning of sailboat is as a, that is a sailing boat. You can able to see the pictures. See, so this is a sailing boat. So in this boat only they have traveled 254 days all over the world. So they call this mission as INSV Tarani. So they call this mission as INSV Tarani. So now we can see what is INSV Tarani. Now we can see what is INSV Tarani. INSV stands for Indian INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. So it stands INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. So I hope you know everybody vessel is represents as a boat. Tara Tarani is the patron deity for the sailors who is worshipped for the safety and success at the seas. So Tara Tarani is the patron deity. Patron deity. The meaning of patron deity is a particular god or goddesses you feel most comfortable working with. That is, for example, in Tamil we will be saying as Kula Deivam, right? So the like that only, for the safety, for all the sailors used to worship for the safety and success at the sea is Tara Tarani only. And this Tara Tarani is considered as a patron deity for all the sailors who will be going through the sea. அதாவது அந்த சீல வந்துட்டு who and all they are traveling through the sea, they will be worshipping this Tara Tarani as their குலதெய்வம். அது ஒரு குலதெய்வம் மாதிரி அவங்க வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, worship பண்ணுறாங்க. So that it would able to they will be very safety and this all will be success at the seas. So they are used to worship the Tara Tarani. INSV Tarani is second sailboat of Indian Navy. So this INSV Tarani is a second sailboat of this Indian Navy. So the first being the INSV Mahadev. So Mahadev is the first one, and this Tarani, INSV Tarani is the second sailboat to go around the world. That is in Indian Navy. It is 55 feet 55-foot sailing vessel built indigenously in India by Miss Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited located in Goa. So this the INSV Tarani is being built by Miss Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited. So this is a company located in Goa. So this is a company. This company only has been built this INSV Tarani. It is 55-foot length. Okay, wow. So it is naturally built in India. Indigenously means, the meaning of indigenous means naturally. So it is naturally built in India. So the in which company means Miss Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited. It is located in Goa. After undergoing extensive sea trials, she was commissioned to Indian Navy service on 18th February 2017. So after a lot of trials and experiment only, they have allotted to the Indian Navy service. So on 18th February 2017. So the meaning of commissioned is assigned or allotted. So the lot of experiments, so undergoing lot of experiments in sea trial, அதாவது நிறைய தடவை வந்துட்டு இந்த போட்டை வந்துட்டு செயல்படுத்தி பார்த்துட்டு சீலே வந்துட்டு நிறைய நிறைய தடவை செயல்படுத்தி பார்த்துட்டு தான் they have allotted, they have assigned to the Indian Navy service on 18th February 2017. The boat was named after the famous Tara Tarani temple in the Kanjam district of Odisha. So this how this boat was named as Tara Tarani means in Odisha district, in Kanjam district of Odisha, there is a temple called Tara Tarani. So they used with this famous only they have named this boat name as Tara Tarani. So Tara means boat and in Sanskrit it is called as saviors. So savior means who is a protector is called as a savior. So Tarani means it is a boat and in Sanskrit is called as a savior. INSV Tarani has advanced Riemannian navigation suite and an array of satellite communication system for perfect navigation anywhere in the world. So in before paragraph we saw that who had built the Tharani sailboat and how it has been named. And here this INSV Tharani has all the advancement of Ray Marine navigation suite and an array of satellite communication system for the protection of navigation everywhere in the world. So the company Ray Marine, so the company Ray Marine used to manufacture all the electrical equipments that is used in the marine. Uses of marine used in a ship, used in a boat. So they used to manufacture all the electronical equipments, so that is called as Ray Marine. So this Ray Marine company used to navigate and suit all the satellite communication system for the perfect navigation. So that is for the perfect traveling everywhere in the world. So they need Indian Navy need to able to know where they are sailing, right? So this Ray Marine company used to set all the electrical equipments for the INSV Tharani. So in all the advanced techniques only has been used in the INSV Tharani. Now see this question, what does INSV stands for? So INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. So INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. Indian Naval Ship Vessel. So next, when was INSV Tharani commissioned to Indian Navy service? So when it was commissioned to Indian Navy service? So on 18th February 2017 only it has been commissioned to Indian Navy service. Who is Tara Tarani? So who is Tara Tarani? It is the god and goddesses of Kanjam districts of Odisha. Yes, and after whom the sailboat was named. So after this goddesses only it has been named. So this is the answers for this. Next paragraph. Navika Sagar Parikrama was a project undertaken in consonance with the national policy to empower women to attain their full potential. So, this Navika Sagar Parikrama is a project. So, it is a project name. Navika Sagar Parikrama is a project name and it is a national policy ப்ராஜெக்ட். ஓகேவா, இது என்னன்னா நேஷ்னல் ஒரு நேஷ்னல் பாலிசி ப்ராஜெக்ட் நேம் தான் வந்துட்டு நாவிகா சாகர் பரிகிராமா. So it has undertaken all the agreements. So consonants means agreement. The meaning of consonants means agreement. So this Naviga Sagar Parikrama was a project, and it is undertaken agreements with the national policy to empower women to attain their full potential. So it has took all the policy that all the abilities women to achieve their full capacity. So the for that only they have started this project Naviga Sagar Parikrama. The project is considered essentially towards promoting ocean sailing activities in the Navy while directing Government of India's thrust for Nari Shakti Woman Power, said Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Sunil Lamba in his welcome speech. So now one of the chief naval staff, Admiral Sunil Lamba, has been addressed in a welcome speech that this project is very much important. So this Naviga Naviga Sagar Parikrama is a very much essential, that is very much important project. So this project is used to promote ocean sailing activities in the Navy. So this project is used to take to the next level for promoting the ocean sailing activities in the Navy. That is, ocean sailing activities means that is going navigation in the ship, that is called as ocean sailing activities in the Navy, while directing the Government of India's trust Nari Shakti. Nari Shakti means woman power. இந்த woman power வந்துட்டு அந்த ஓஷன் சேலிங் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸில் வந்துட்டு நல்லாவே கொண்டு வரணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு மெயின் பாயிண்ட் மாரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எசென்ஷியல் கோசரம் தான் தே ஹாவ் designed a project Naviga Sagar Parikrama. So this has been said by Chief Naval Staff Admiral Sunil Lamba in his welcome speech. The voyage was aimed to showcase Make in India initiative by sailing on board indigenously built INSV Tharani. So this voyage, that is this journey, that is at sea traveling, has been aimed. What is the aim of this sea traveling? That is what is the aim of this INSV Tharani means it is to showcase. Showcase means to show everyone, that is Make in India initiative. So Make in India means that is this INSV Tharani has been made, built in India, right? So yeah, the it is that ship is being built in India. So this ship also can able to travel all over the world. So this is their main aim to this is the main aim for India to build this INSV Tharani. This is the main aim. அதாவது இந்த ஐஎன்எஸ்வி தாரணிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு இந்தியாவில் தான் வந்து கட்டினாங்க இல்லையா. இந்தியாவில் கட்டின ஷிப்பு கூட ஆல் ஓவர் த வேர்ல்டு வந்துட்டு போகும். அதுக்கு எல்லா வசதிகளுமே இருக்குது. எல்லா பீப்புள்ஸாலும் கூட ட்ராவல் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த அளவுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு எபிலிட்டி இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு தான் வந்துட்டு அவங்களோட ஃபஸ்ட்டு எய்மே. ஓகேவா? அண்ட் தென் த ஸ்பெஷல் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ், தட் இஸ் நவ் தே ஆர் கோயிங் டு சே அபவுட் த கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் ஆஃப் த INSV Tharani. The special features of their sailboat is that it encourage users of environment friendly non-conventional renewable energy resources such as wind. So, and they are now saying about the special characteristics of this sailboat. So they are saying that it has encouraged the uses of environment friendly, that is eco friendly, and non-conventional renewable energy resources such as wind. So I think so everybody know non-conventional renewable energy, that is a reusable natural resources is called as a renewable energy. That is like a sun, wind is called as a renewable energy. So that is a environment friendly sailboat, and collect and update meteorological, ocean and wave data on regular basis for accurate weather forecast by India. So, and also not only it is an eco-friendly one, first they are saying that they have built in India, and second point they are saying it is an eco-friendly one, and the third point they are saying that it used to collect, that is it used to update the meteorological. The meteorological is a department, it is also a department, that is it is also a branch of science. அதாவது branch of science means we know that it is like a botany, zoology. This is also a branch of science. It is used to forecast the weather. So do you know forecasting of weather, that is வானிலை அறிக்கை சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that department is called as meteorological. So this updates also can be updated ocean and wave data on regular basis for accurate weather forecast by India Meteorological Department, IMD. So they can also able to update the meteorological in the oceans in a regular base of accurate weather forecast by India of Meteorological Department, IMD, and also collect data for monitoring marine pollution on high seas. So not only they'll be collecting the weather conditions, and also they'll be collecting the marine pollution also. So marine pollution means you'll be heard about the sound pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, like that. Marine pollution is also there. Marine pollution means the pollution is inside the sea water is called as a marine pollution. So they'll be monitoring the data, they'll be monitoring in the sea marine pollution on high seas. So they'll be collecting the what are all the pollutions that is causing inside the sea for the plants, for the sea, that is the plants inside the sea, the animals inside the sea. They'll be collecting all these, they'll be monitoring everything there. So this is the specialities of this is the characteristics of the INSV Tharani. So once again we can recall: empowered women navigating the world. So in earlier days, all the women won't be coming out of their house, and if they come out of the house also, there will be a bodyguard to survive their activities. But nowadays there is a change in everything. All the women are fighting for their own choices of rights, and also many of the women have been a very good role model for all the women in the world. So and this has been realized in earlier days itself, but nowadays currently only it is has been published very much by the advancement of the technologies and media. So women is occupying a very much good positions in all the society, and currently women has been achieved in a great amount in many fields. So one achievement is all women Indian Navy crew, that they have traveled around the world for 254 days alone in a sailboat called INSV Tharani. So what does INSV Tharani means? INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel, and Tara Tharani is a paternal identity for the sailors, that is who is worshipping for the safety and for success in India. So they are worshipping as a god or a goddesses as their god. To sail in a sea in a for a safety, and also they should be have a successful journey for them. So INSV Tharani is a second sailboat for from Indian Navy. The first INSV is INSV Madev. So the first one is INSV Madev, and second one is INSV Tharani. So this INSV Tharani is 54 foot sailing vessel, and it is built by India by the company of Miss Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited in Goa. So they have undertook a lot of experiments in sea trials, and after that only they have allotted, that is they have assigned to the Indian Navy service on 18th February 2017. This boat was named after the famous Tara Tarani temple in the Kanjam districts of Odisha. So this was named after this that is this, after the temple. In the temple ka பேர் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் they have framed the boat name. Tarani means boat, and in Sanskrit it is called as a savior, that means protection. INSV Tarani has been developed in all the it is having all the advanced level techniques in that, because Ray Maranian company has suited all the satellite communication, all the advanced satellite communication, that is Ray Marine means that is they used to manufacture all the electrical equipments. So they have fixed all the advancement electrical equipments in SV Tarani of the satellite communication for the satellite communication system, so that they can have a perfect travel anywhere in the world. So next we are going to see about the project that is given by the national policy to empower women to attain their full capacity. So the name of the project name is Naviga Sagar Parikrama. So this Naviga Sama Parikrama is given by national policy to empower women's full potential to attain their full potential power. So this project has been considered as one of the important thing to promote the ocean sailing activities in the navy. That is the government of India trust of women power, that is Nari Shakti. So this was said by the chief naval staff Admiral Sunal Lamba in his welcome speech. So now in this paragraph we saw about the aims, that is we saw about the aim about the INSV Tarani. So for that is this voyage aim, the first aim of this voyage is to show that make in India, that is the boat is made in India. So this can also, it can able to roam all over the world, it can also able to sail all over the world, and able to collect all the data and everything. So this is the first aim for them, and it has special features in the sailboat, that is it is an eco-friendly one. It can able to renewable energies like wind, sun, and also it can also able to collect and update the meteorological side also. Meteorological means that is forecasting weather, can also able to update the weather conditions and also see and wave data on the regular basis of the accurate weather forecast by the Indian Meteorological Department. So it can able to have a correct weather data, that is wave data, அந்த அலைகள் எப்படி வேகமா அந்த அலைகளோட இது everything it can able to collect and update by the meteorological department, and also collect the data for monitoring marine pollution on high seas. So in high seas, inside the sea, they can also able to collect the marine pollution. So what are all the pollutions has been created in the marine, that is plants in the inside the sea, animals in the sea has been affected by the marine pollution. So they also collected this marine pollution also. So I hope you have understood this lesson. So remaining part we can continue in next video. Thank you.